Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make loop-in reels on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. So let's begin. First, after opening your Instagram edits, we will be needing to start a new project. And there are two ways to do it. Either you can start choosing from your media or you can simply record a whole new clip. And as you know, in Instagram, there is the boomerang feature that would allow you to start having a loop-in video or loop-in reel. And simply, you will also find this on Instagram on the recording. Unfortunately, it isn't available on Instagram Edits. And if we go to the recording tab or recording panel, we will see that there is an option of adding audio. You can also change the background. That means like a green screen, a timer, and you can find like an enhancer or video enhancer. But there is no feature of a boomerang feature. Otherwise, or we can work it around by going to Instagram, then go to Reels, and let's just go back to Instagram, then go plus sign, and from there we can simply go to Story or Reels, and simply you can use Boomerang, and you can start recording with using Boomerang, and after that you can save this clip into your draft or your camera roll. So you will be needing just to save this clip there, and after that you can go to edits, and from there you will be able to click on this plus sign and then take the video that you have recorded from Instagram and then start editing on it, and then you can export it by clicking on the export button. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.